If you're new to our channel, we're Yvonne and Jeremy, and we're exploring Thailand.
In today's video, we hire a local boatman to take us island hopping in the area around Krabi. Good morning everyone and welcome to a brand new video. This morning we are going to visit islands and Daeng Island via a Longtail boat. We already visited Raleigh Beach, so we're gonna skip that one today and do a combined tour.
We're leaving from the Chao Fa Pier and we actually have our own boat today.
The river is super peaceful in the morning and there are not a lot of people out at 7:30 in the morning.
So we've arrived here at Tup Island. Since the tides are pretty low right now, we can actually walk across to the Chicken Island. Normally that walkway is not accessible when there are higher tides, but since we're here early in the morning, we can walk across it. And so as we're making our way there, we see these jellyfish on the sand. Apparently some fishermen go out in the morning to catch these, and sometimes they get washed up ashore. Had we come 10 minutes later, I don't think we would have been able to walk across.
This area on the other side of Chicken Island is known for being calm. It's like a protected cove with a cave area, and so that blocks the wind from coming, and so the waves are nice and gentle, the water is clear, and it's known as a good place to snorkel. We're on the other side of Chicken Island now, and it looks like there's some reefs here, and it's like pretty shallow, so I think we're gonna go in and take a look.
Wow! Whoa!
Wow, that's cool.
Wow.
Yay, it's the Chicken Island. You can understand why it's called the chicken.
The chicken head.
It's really nice being out here.
We found a picnic bench and we're going to have our lunch. Today we picked up some items from 7-Eleven, just some sandwiches and pastries. They're kind of squished.
It's still kind of cool because it's been in the cooler this morning. Not bad. Yeah, a lot of mayo.
Minced pork and salted egg yolk pastry. I don't taste the salted egg yolk as much. This will probably taste really good if it's warmed up.
So we're riding on the boat through the ocean and we see a bunch of longtail boats and they're spearing jellyfish. Apparently they can sell these jellyfish for 4 or 5 baht, so our boatman says, and a lot of them are exported to Japan. Look, there's another one there. Yeah. Wow, Daeng Island is crazy. So we just went with the longtail boat into the lagoon and it is ridiculous. It is so beautiful inside, and the mangroves are surrounding us. Apparently we came here in the afternoon because at low tide you can't take the boat all the way in here, but apparently in the afternoon when the tide rises a little bit, then you can come all the way in. So that's pretty cool.
The water is very cold, but you float very easily because it's so salty.
Nice.
Yeah. So after Hong Island, we're doing another snorkeling session. We're at the Daeng Island, and there are actually jellyfish here, so we kind of have to be careful as we snorkel and look at the fish.
So worried it's gonna tip over.
Watermelon, fresh watermelon. It's raining up ahead.
So we got a little bit of rain on our way back to Chao Fa Pier, but we got back without much event. We were able to stay under the tarp while we were getting back. And overall, I would just really recommend going down to the pier in Krabi town and discussing with one of the boatmen how you're gonna get out there and what exactly you're gonna do, because we went to Jelly Beach on our own, and so we didn't really need to do the whole 4-island tour because one of the 4 islands is Jelly Beach. And so we were able to craft a custom itinerary with the boatman. We were able to leave earlier, go around at our own pace, have the boatman's expertise as we were going to the different places, and we were essentially able to combine 2 tours into one and knock them out in one day and see some of these awesome sites around Krabi town. So highly recommend going down to the pier, discussing with the boatman a price that you're comfortable with for you or your group. They're there early in the morning, or you can go the day before and discuss the day before, which is what we did. And now we're finishing up our day by grabbing a quick bite to eat at the Chao Fa Pier before heading back to our Airbnb. All right, so our first dish this evening is the famous Thai crab omelet. So dipping it in this sweet chili sauce. Wow, it's just bursting with flavor. I got little bits of crab meat in it, and the crispy egg, golden fried in the wok. You just feel that wok earthiness, and it's just so good.
This is the spicy seafood in coconut milk. Squid and shrimp and various vegetables like mushrooms and onion. So the flavor of this soup is pretty mild, but this is good because you can taste the quality of the ingredients. Overall, this is a very hearty bowl of soup. And we also got a stir-fried chicken and fried tofu over rice. This looks awesome. Oh, this is good. It's got a very good savory garlicky taste. The chicken is tender, and this fried tofu just absorbs the sauce.
Having this freshly cooked meal right on the pier seems like the perfect way to end our day island hopping and snorkeling. If you're new, don't forget to hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button so you can follow along as we continue here in Thailand. See you in the next one.